Welcome to OfficeXpert. In this video, we'll provide an overview of Microsoft Office, covering the essential applications and features that can help you in your academic and professional life. Whether you're new to Office or just need a quick refresher, this guide is for you. Let's get started. What is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is a suite of productivity applications developed by Microsoft. It includes tools designed for creating documents, analyzing data, making presentations, and managing emails. Word is used for creating and editing text documents. Common uses include writing essays, reports, and letters. It offers features like text formatting, spell check, and the ability to insert images and tables. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program for data management and analysis. It's widely used for tasks such as budgeting, data visualization, and performing calculations with formulas. PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create slideshows. It's ideal for crafting engaging presentations with text, images, animations, and multimedia for academic or professional settings. Outlook is an email client and personal information manager. It helps you manage emails, schedule meetings, and organize tasks with its calendar and task list features. Introduction to key applications. Word's interface includes a ribbon at the top with tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. You can format text, create lists, and add elements like images and tables. It's perfect for any document-based task. Excel's grid layout consists of cells organized into rows and columns. You can perform calculations, create charts, and use tools like pivot tables for data analysis. PowerPoint lets you create slides with a variety of templates and design tools. You can add text, images, charts, and transitions to make your presentations dynamic. Outlook integrates email, calendar, and tasks. It supports email management, scheduling, and contact organization, making it essential for personal and professional communication. Navigating the Office interface. The ribbon is a central feature in all Office applications located at the top of the window. It contains tabs like Home, Insert, and Review, each providing access to different tools. The Quick Access toolbar, found at the top left, offers shortcuts to frequently used commands like Save, Undo, and Redo. You can customize it by adding more commands. The File tab, also known as the Backstage view, allows you to manage your files. You can save, open, print, and share documents from here. Accessing Office Online and mobile. Microsoft Office can be accessed via office.com for online use. Just log in with your Microsoft account to create and edit documents from your browser. There are also mobile apps for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint available for iOS and Android. These apps let you work on your documents from anywhere. Tips for getting started. Start by exploring each application's templates to get familiar with the available tools. Templates provide pre-designed documents that can be easily customized. Use the built-in help features and tutorials in each application to learn more. The Tell Me feature in Office applications lets you search for commands and get assistance quickly. That's a quick overview of Microsoft Office. Explore the different applications and see how they can boost your productivity. Stay tuned to OfficeXpert for detailed tutorials on each tool, like subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates.